It is Chick Patrol Day 20. Look, I've got a shop back out here. Look how awesome their coop is. They started out down in this area, and they will be spending the night here. So that's a little. It is 89 degrees high today. So they have all this run. They're outside. They're enjoying the sunshine. Let's have a look at them because they are happy campers. Look, running, they're having fun. They'll be here for a while, and then we'll put the ramp that we have out here for them so that they can go and just have fun. Oh, hello, sunshine. Hello, everybody. How are you? They're like, Mom. Yeah, they're having a great time. They're loving it. Happy peepers right here. Happiest. There's the happiest peepers.